What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title, I am bringing you guys Jackie, Aina, La Peach, and LeBron's Diamond Glow powders by Artist Couture. So to start, this collection is a limited release. It released on December 25th. For the bundle, it includes this beautiful bag here and both La Peach and LeBron's for $55. If you wanted to buy each shade individually, they do run for $28 each, so it is a lot cheaper to just bundle them together. Or if you decide that you can't afford either one of those, you can just buy the bag for $7 just to support your girl. So again, I got the bundle deal, which came with this bag here, which is like that plastic vinyl material. The glitter is not gritty at all. It's all underneath the plastic. And on the inside, you get both La Peach and LeBron's. This is what the box looks like. I already have them pulled out. I just wanted to show you guys for the video's sake. So here goes what the box packaging looks like, which is very cute. And then bam, we got these girls right here, La Peach and LeBron's. So for obvious reasons, I wanted to pick up this collab because number one, Jackie Aina is a Black YouTuber. We got to support our people. If y'all ain't already, go on ahead and get on that because it is still available. So last year she released LeBron's, and I believe it came in like a huge like limited edition set, which was a little bit more on the pricey side. And I want to say she also released LeBron's individually. I could be totally wrong. Anyways, but yeah, I didn't get to get my hands on it last year, so I definitely wanted to pick this up this time around. So again, this is what the packaging looks like. It is the signature rose gold look that Jackie always goes for, and it also has her signature on the lid. Now, when you open up the packaging, it does have a sifter that you can open and close, which is a very nice touch because these type of loose powders can be extremely messy. So here goes what it looks like. I hope that you guys can see. If not, you get the damn point. After going through my makeup collection, I had a few highlighters that I was like, this might be kind of similar. So just to compare everything, I wanted to swatch everything so you guys can see for yourself that these are indeed pretty unique. So starting off with LeBron's, which is her classic, very rose goldy deep copper shade. This is actually what I have all over my lid today. I'm actually going to remove my watch just so it's out of the way, but I'll go on ahead and swatch that up top. I don't have a whole lot of product. I'm trying to be conservative here. So okay, so that's what that looks like. As you can see, it is extremely coppery, pretty, shimmery, glimmery, right? So I also brought down the Becca. This is the Shimmering Skin Perfector in Blushed Copper. I believe this is I don't think this is limited edition, but if it is, I apologize. But I thought that it did resemble this one most out of my collection. So I did want to go on ahead and give you a swatch of this as well. So that's what Blush Copper looks like. It's not as shimmery as LeBron's is. As you can see, it's definitely more on the subtle side. It is considered more of like a blush though. And then another bronzer slash highlighter that I had in my collection was from the Wet n Wild Fergie Center Stage collection, and this is in the shade Carnival in Rio. And again, I'll just swirl my finger around in this and give this a swatch underneath here. As you can see, it's not as pigmented, and it's definitely more on like the deeper brown side because it is a bronzer. But yeah, there goes what that looks like. And another highlighter that I thought was kind of like middle of the road, it can be like a nice blend between LeBron's and La Peach, is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow in Crown of My Canopy. And as you can see, it's got like that peachy tone to it, like both of them do, but it's like right in the middle between the depth of LeBron's and then the lightness of La Peach. So I do want to go ahead and give you guys a swatch of this as well, and I'll make sure I swatch it underneath La Peach as well. So yeah, there goes that. That's not really a good swatch. Let me get in there a little bit better so you guys can see it. Yeah, so that's more on the peachy side, but again, that's LeBron's, that is Becca, that's Wet n Wild Center Stage, and that is the Mega Glow. All right, so now moving on to La Peach, which I was extremely excited about because I already knew that LeBron's was not going to be a shade that I can use as a highlight per se, but like I said, I definitely pulled together a look with it, all using it all over my eyes. But again, La Peach is what I was excited about. And it also has the same packaging with the sifter in it and everything. I'm gonna tap off a little bit in here and give you guys a good spot. Sharoo. I went on ahead and I washed my hands and my arm just so I wasn't mixing. But again, bam, look at that. Again, I have this on my brow bone and highlighted all over my face, but this is a highlight that I can fucks with. Like, it has that peachy tone to it. It almost has like a classic champagne, but the amount of shine and shimmer that you get from these highlighters is just amazing. Like, even like compared to what I just swatched and showed you guys with LeBron's, it's just no words, no words. So yeah, there goes La Peach, and also again the same thing. I just picked a few highlighters that I thought were pretty similar in shade. So starting off here with Champagne Pop, which is by Becca and the Jaclyn Hill, you know what I'm saying, collaboration. I'm going to swatch that right up underneath. Try to build it up a little bit so you can see. So Champagne Pop is a lot more on the champagne side, obviously, but it does have that same peachy undertone, just a lot lighter. The next one I have here is by Wet n Wild. This is Precious Petals, and this is from their Mega Glow line. That moment when you realize you've been doing all this swatching and you ain't got shit in the frame. Why do I do this to myself? It's fine. I'll go on ahead and swatch everything, take a picture, and put a photo in and label everything for you guys. You know, it's a struggle, but enjoy the rest of the video. Obviously very similar to the Peach, but now that I'm looking at it, maybe not so much. If anything, it's almost a dupe to the Jaclyn Hill. It's a little bit more on the pink side rather than peach, but it does have like that nice sheen to it, so pretty similar. Next up here, since we have the Wet n Wild thing going, let's go on ahead and swatch Crown of My Canopy right up underneath. I already know this one is going to be a lot darker than La Peach, but again, just for the sake of the video, and I wanted to show you guys how I do feel like La Peach and LeBron's mixed together is Queen of My Canopy, or what is called Crown of My Canopy, is probably their love child. And then lastly, I have Fenty Beauty Mean Money, I think is the one. No, Hustler Baby, which is the goldy peach one right here. Oh, I think I put too much on there. But there goes Mean Money. So here are all the highlighters swatched together. I think the one that is the closest is Crown of My Canopy. I mean, tell me what you guys think. Correct me if I'm wrong. Maybe it's just in person, but yeah, I definitely feel like these two probably are closest as far as being a comparison. And I know with these Diamond Glow formulas, you can use them all over your body. You can mix them in with lotions. You can mix them into your foundations. However you choose to use these, they are definitely worth the money. And obviously, since LeBron's is not one that I will be using all the time for myself, I would definitely be able to get a lot of use, especially for my darker complected clients, for weddings and photo shoots galore. Just these are really good, especially if you are a makeup artist, to have in your kit, because it comes with a whole lot of product, and again, you can use these in a multitude of ways. All right, so if you guys want to see how I came up with this look using these Diamond Glow powders in La Bronze and La Peach, then please stay tuned.